that time of the year again, when thunder jolts us out of our well-deserved slumber, but we just never want to get out of bed. When all you see are pools of rainwater, some murky, others mesmerizing. It's that time when your feet are constantly muddy, but the pouring rain washes the dirt away. It's that time of the year when you expect the unexpected. Yet sometimes, it's a happy surprise. That time when nature confines us inside our homes and then makes its presence known in all its glory. Nature finally comes home with its awe-inspiring embrace. It forces us to slow down and breathe. And take in the magic that surrounds us. This monsoon, bring nature home with Ugaoo.